In this video, you will learn how to debug your GNOME extension code. Use log to log your message. Use print to print your message to standard out. Use print error to print your message to standard error. We don't use print and print error often in GNOME extensions. To log an error with a stack trace, you can use log error like this. In log error, you can also specify error type. Save the file and restart the GNOME shell. Go to the terminal and open journalctl like this. All of your installed extensions will be logged here. Restart the GNOME shell again to see what is happening to the log when extensions being enabled. As you can see, we have our log messages among other extensions log. Go to the extensions. Disable your extension. Restart the GNOME shell to see log without your extension. If you enable your extension now, the log will be at the end and you can read it easily. Go to the GJS-console. Write something to test here. Just keep in mind, this is a separate process from GNOME shell and you cannot access the live code here. To run the looking glass, press Alt F2 and type LG and press Enter. In Extensions tab, you can find your extension source folder. The picker allows you to select any object and it will give you the information about it, such as object and style class names. You can write something to test here too. To access the result of each line, use R with line number. Sometimes we need to slow down the GNOME shell animation. Here I set a slowdown factor to 10. As you can see, the GNOME animation is slowing down. Now I set the slowdown factor to 1.2. See how faster the animation is now.